Hi guys, welcome to the fort. Nobody calls it, only I call it a fort. This is a all stone architecture. The college was formed 100 acre of on 100 of acre of land, and the main design is admired for the all unique stone architecture and lush woods. This is one of the greenest campus you will find anywhere. Yeah. To design, the main theme of the I Am Bangalore was the gardens and temples. That was theme. The long corridors, yeah, across the gardens, sunlight everywhere, and that's why the logo also include the sun. If you have seen the college ka logo, any guess which college we're talking about? So the new campus was formed in 1983 by award-winning architect B.V. Doshi. Yeah, and the college came into existence. So let's go back to the history of the college. Today I want to talk about very exciting history of the college. Now there were two IIMs in the country. IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Calcutta, and both of them were formed in the US style, catering to mainly the capital industry, the private companies. Yeah, and the private companies used to offer a huge salary as compared to the public companies. And 1970s was a time, earlier 17, when all these government organizations were coming up. Government was setting up heavy industries, having heavy public infrastructure. So, for example, BHEL, H- HMT, ITI, road projects, corporation, municipal corporation, lot of government organizations were coming up in the early 70s, and a lot of investment was made by the government in these areas. So they wanted a campus, they wanted a college which was catering to the demand for public sector. Yeah, which I'm Ahmedabad and I'm Calcutta could not cater, mainly because of the fact that the salary offer was less in the government colleges, government companies. Yeah, and then came up the idea to start a college for the government only, for the government employees, to become a government employee. So the land was proposed in Karnataka. That's the biggest hint I can give you. 100 acres were offered for free of cost and 30 lakh rupees. The discussion were held with Dr. S. Chandrakant and Dr. Ravi Mathai. Ravi Mathai, Dr. Mr. Ravi Mathai is the most famous name you will find associated with this college. TA Pai agreed to the first chairman, and NS Ramaswamy, who was the director of NITI at that time, became the first director of the college. And the campus was inaugurated in 1973 by Indira Gandhi. Yeah, the college started with the catering to the NEMA for the public sector, but unfortunately, public sector companies, public sector organizations were not willing to hire young MBAs, unfortunately. So over the years, the focus moved from the public sector towards private sector, and by 1991, when the liberalization happened, when the privatization happened, IIM Bangalore emerged as a top B school. Yes, we're talking about IIM Bangalore. If anybody asks me to compare the two campuses between A and B, of course I'll choose IIM Ahmedabad because I studied in IIM Ahmedabad. But for the beauty, IIM Bangalore, the most greenest campus you will find anywhere is IIM B, especially for the unique architecture, the stone based. It took me 3 days ka time to get used to the campus. It's you get lost यार, similar architecture everywhere. You get lost. अभी आप जो जो फोटो देख रहे हो, मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ पे कैसे आना है. ये तो चलो मान लिया कौन सी जगह ये. So even I don't know half the places. This is MDC campus. So even I still can't find half the places. This is the hostel area. Yeah, my last day of the campus, I was there in the campus for 3 days. On the last day, someone told us there's a swimming pool as well. तो हम लोग 20 लोग थे. I went with around 20 students at IIM Bangalore. So we went out at night 2 o'clock to search for the swimming pool. So any guess swimming pool है कि नहीं है at IIM Bangalore? ठीक है, लास्ट डे जाके हमें कहा गया कि स्विमिंग पूल है, जाके ढूंढो. तो हम ढूंढने निकले थे रात को 2 बजे. वी वेंट आउट टू फाइंड द स्विमिंग पूल. सो एनी गेस व्हाट यू थिंक, स्विमिंग पूल है कि नहीं है? डू कमेंट ऑन दिस and we'll check it out. So that's a beautiful history about IIM Bangalore. The college was started for the public sector. Yeah, very humble background. See, yeah, when you are preparing for IIMs, for CAT, we always dream about IIM ABC, and these kind of beautiful stories always help us. IIM Ahmedabad is based on the love story. IIM Calcutta is a college of lakes. So these beautiful stories I love to share with you. Tomorrow I want to talk about one more beautiful story. All India Institute of Management Study. There was a plan to make AIMS. There's All India Institute of Medical Studies, AIMS Delhi. There was a plan to make a management college as unfortunately AIMS तो नहीं आ पाया, but उसकी जगह एक और कॉलेज आ गया. So that story we'll talk about tomorrow. Alright, all the best. Study hard. And trust me, this is one of the most beautiful campus you'll find. So welcome to the fort. Fort mainly because of stone-based architecture.